Who's chilling in the crib? Who's chilling in the crib? It's Roman and it's Marcus. Hi, Marcus. Hi. Marcus, hey, go give Roman a hug, please. Oh, good boy, Marcus. Roman, your brother loves you. Roman, is that the bus? You have the bus. I love your smile. Marcus is jumping. Wow, Marcus. Yes, that's right, Marcus. Bus. Looks like we're not taking a nap, Marcus. I tried. Too much excitement.